All right, in this video, I took some notes. I think this is the best way for me to do it at this particular time. YouTube's changed their policies and they take away all our money and blah, blah, blah. We all know all this. A lot of us have tried other places. You can always find me at the Reloaders Network, by the way, just so you know. The Reloaders Network, go check it out. Reloadersnetwork.com. We're on a lot of things, and I was on a lot of different venues. I can't even name them all. There were so many. And I just don't have the time to really keep up with the YouTube stuff, to little known keep up with all that other stuff. My work schedule's changed a lot and I've been working a ton of hours. Now hopefully soon it'll start slowing back down and we can get to more shooting and reloading and stuff, but that's another story. That's irrelevant. Okay, so right now I have four, the Reloaders Network. I have 4 places that I'm at, all right, but 3 mainly. Okay, we're here on the Reloader Dude on YouTube. I also have, Reloader Dude on Facebook and TRD on Facebook. Go check those out. Okay, but that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about the video formats. All right, so I'm here on YouTube as the Reloader Dude. I'm also here on YouTube as TRD Reloading. Go check out that channel. And I'm also on Patreon. Okay, YouTube is basically, I've been watching the videos. I've actually remade some videos to fall within the YouTube compliance. And some of those videos that I've posted to fit the YouTube compliance, some are staying monetized and some of them are not. Everything that we do here, a lot of people don't want to hear this, but it is true. Everything we do here costs money. We take that money out of our own pockets and we try to help other people out. We try to get a little bit in return, but the money we spend is nowhere near the money that YouTube pays us or the support that I get from Patreon. And I want to take time out right here to thank every one of you who support me on Patreon. You're the guys who keep the powder and the primers, okay, coming in. Without you all, there's no possible way that I could do what I do. All right, and of course, Acme Bullet Company. All right, but anyway, what I think I'm going to do, and I took some notes here, because I think this is the best way for me to do this. It allows me to do what I think I need to do for my supporters. All right, so on the YouTube channel, The Reloader Dude, we talked about this before. This is going to be more of a vlogging or a podcast type post. I'm going to talk about the loads. I'm going to talk about what I'm doing. I'm going to talk about different just aspects of reloading, such as the previous video that I just did. I'm going to make sure you properly document your ammo. And we're going to do that kind of testing here because every video that I show a firearm, I shoot a firearm, I talk about reloading or show reloading or casting or something, they all get demonetized. Now I have received no strikes, but they are demonetizing those videos and I don't get no revenue or nothing for them. So therefore, I want to keep this channel where I can have some source, even if it's minor, some source of funds coming in. It just helps me to do what I do. Okay, so we're going to talk about those and I'm going to see if we can do that in a manner where maybe YouTube will keep those monetized. I've been kind of watching how they're doing it, which videos they're taking off and which videos they're letting me stay monetized, and I kind of understand the variety or what they're wanting. Okay, so on TRD Reloading, it is not an ad channel. There is no ads on that channel at all. So therefore over there on TRD Reloading is where I'm going to plan on doing the shooting and maybe showing some actual reloading. All right, so I'm going to show some reloading press things. We're not really going to talk about too much. We're going to talk about it over here, but over there I'll show the reloading and I'll show the shooting. Okay, and then for Patreon, what I'm going to do is put the load data over there. So over here, we're going to talk about the loads. We're going to talk about what we're doing. We're going to talk about the components we're using, things like that. Then on the TRD Reloading channel here on YouTube, we're actually going to show the shooting, maybe some of the reloading. The reloading thing's kind of an issue right now, so we're going to see what we can get by with and what we can't. But over there, if I get a strike or two, it'll allow me to at least be able to come talk to y'all. And I can find the parameters that they're willing to let me do and what they won't let me do. And then for the Patreon people, the Patreon viewers, and you don't have to be a supporter on Patreon to watch the videos. But, you know, like I said, any little bit helps. And if you find the information helpful and you want to donate a little bit, there's a simple way to do it. Or you can always click the link right here on the Reloader Dude and just donate that way. So the guys on Patreon will get the actual load data. You know, they go over there and they support the channel, and those guys deserve a little something. So, you know, and I feel that that's the best thing that I can do to them, because I have to spend the money to get that information, and they're actually paying to see that information. It's kind of the way I'm looking at it. So therefore, I believe that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna turn this more of a vlogging channel. We've talked that in before. I'm gonna kind of show what I'm doing, or showing those components that I'm working with. Then we're gonna show how they turned out on the TRD reloading channel here on YouTube. So you won't be seeing the same videos. Now, the 3 videos that I've got posted over there now are the same, but I'm doing it because I'm trying to get an order so that it'll come out right. All right, and then on Patreon, what I'll do is make short little videos or short little snippets of the actual load data. We'll talk about what the load data for that particular round was and things like that. All right, guys, so there's a quick little video. I just wanted to say thank you to all the Patreon supporters. I want to say thank you to the actual people who have donated. Just by hitting the donate button, it all comes in handy. It all helps, trust me. And it allows me to do and to show you the different things, because without it, and without Acme bullets, there'd be no possible way that I could shoot and show you all as much as I do. All right, guys, appreciate it. Thanks for watching.